guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 5 questions to answer on the topic magnetic field. So guys, this video will be about the Earth's magnetic field. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, a freely suspended magnet swinging in a horizontal plane comes to rest with its axis pointing approximately A. North to south, B. North to east, C. South to west, D. South to east. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, north to south. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question here is question number 2. It says, the diagram below illustrates a freely suspended bar magnet hanging from a point in a horizontal ceiling. The thread used to suspend the magnet and the axis of the magnet are inclined on the diagram. The angle marked theta is called the angle of A, depression, B, variation, C, dip, D, declination. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C, that's dip. So this is called the angle of dip. And that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So the next question we have here is question number 3. It says, a freely suspended compass needle on the Earth's surface settles in a plane called A. Magnetic declination, B. Magnetic meridian, C. Isogonal, D. Geographic meridian. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. That's the magnetic meridian. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So the next question we have here is question number 5. It says, the Earth's magnetic equator passes through Jos in Nigeria. At Jos, the A. Angle of variation is 0. B. Magnetic declination is 90 degrees. C. Horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field is 0. And D. Angle of dip is 0. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. Angle of dip is 0 at Jos. So guys, the next question here is question number 5. It says, the angle which the direction of the Earth's magnetic field makes with the horizontal at a place is known as A. Magnetic meridian, B. Angle of declination, C. Angle of dip, D. Angle of contact. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. Angle of dip. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So you can join the channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.